Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you our Scout 235 XSF. Here we are at the bow of the Scout 235 XSF. Your anchor locker. Pull up cleats, port and starboard. Bow seating. Storage below. Here we are in front of the helm. Nice lounge seating. Large storage below. Below the console of the Scout 235 XSF, we have a nice head compartment. At the helm of the Scout, we have a Garmin electronic, lockable glove box, USB adapter, 12-volt adapter, compass, 3-piece glass enclosure, tilt steering, and the Mercury digital throttles. The helm seat of the 235 XSF, 4 rod holders, nice grab handle, 3 cup holders, and a cooler below. Here we are at the transom of the Scout 235 XSF. You have a fold down seat, very large and deep. In-floor bilge compartment. Here we are at the transom of the Scout 235 XSF. This boat's powered by a Mercury 300 Verado. Note, I am on a solid walkway transom here. There's no splash well. This boat's equipped with a live well. And it also has 4 additional rod holders in the stern, as well as 2 cup holders and a raw water washdown. Thank you for looking at our 2019 Scout 235 XSF. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Please contact me regarding this or any boat offered by MarineMax at jim.ferg@marinemax.com or call me 609-494-2102.